Good morning, children. Today also we are continuing exercise 8.1 of chapter 8 quadrilateral only. The last question from that exercise. Question number 12. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to CD and AD equal to BC. Show that angle A equal to angle B and angle C is equal to angle D. Third one is triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD, and the last one diagonal AC equal to diagonal BD. Now for this we have given the trapezium ABCD in the question itself with the condition that AB parallel to CD. Right? Now one more condition it is given that AD equal to BC. In question itself it is given the hint that we have to draw a line CE parallel to DA. Right? What is the condition? What is the construction part they had given? CE parallel to DA. So I'll complete the remaining part now because construction is given in the question and also hint is given. So other than that we cannot prove that one. Before that one more point I'll explain. We have to prove that angle A equal to angle B. See this one. Similarly, angle C is equal to angle D. Here these two also we have to prove equal. Right? Now triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. So we have to mark the number of the angles here. So before that I'll do the construction part. What is the construction? CE parallel to DA. We are taking the parallel property now and extend AB to intersect at E. Now we are getting two more angles in the base here. I'll mark here angle 1, angle 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, right? So what we have to prove? Angle 3 equal to angle 4 we must prove and angle 5 equal to angle 6 we have to prove. Then we have to prove that triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. For that step we have to do further construction only. So here I'll write what is given in the question. ABCD is a trapezium AB parallel to CD and AD equal to BC. To prove all the four questions, that is angle A equal to angle B implies angle 4 I should write first. Angle 4 is equal to angle 3. Number 2, angle C is equal to angle D implies angle 6 is equal to angle 5. What is the third criteria to be proved? Triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. Fourth one, AC equal to BD. Construction. Draw CE parallel to parallel to DA. Extend AB to E. Right? Now proof. So by the construction, if you see this means AB is parallel to DC, right? And DA is also parallel to C. So what I'll write here, AB parallel to DC. That is given. Okay. Now what is another criteria? AD parallel to C. By construction. Therefore, two pair of opposite side is equal and parallel. So parallel we got, not equal. Two pair of opposite sides are parallel we got. So what is the conclusion? AB AECD is a parallelogram. This is the first point we have to prove. What is the first point? The first step, AECD is a parallelogram, we have proved, right? So if it is a parallelogram, what you can say about AD and CE? AD and CE are also equal. AD equal to CE, opposite side. Equation number 1 I will take. Now what is given in the question? AD and BC are equal. AD equal to BC given. Okay. So what is the conclusion from this one? BC equal to CE using 1 and 2. So if BC equal to CE, see the diagram, BC equal to CE, what you can write about angle 1 and 2? BC opposite angle is angle 1 and CE the opposite angle is angle 2. So angle 1 equal to angle 2, equation number 1. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Now we have proved that it is a parallelogram only, right? So angle 1 plus 4, what you can say? Angle 1 plus 4 equal to 180 degree co-interior angles. So here I can change the equation 1 and 2. Now this is 3 only. Now here 4 co-interior angles. Now 2 plus 3 equal to, angle 2 plus 3 is also equal to 180 degree linear pair. So by this what you can write? Angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. 1 and 2 are equal angle only. So angle 4 equal to angle 3 implies angle A equal to angle B, proved 1. Now the second part we have to prove, that is the angle C is equal to angle D only, right? See, AECD is a parallelogram. In the equation number 1 we got. So angle 1 equal to angle 5, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Now if I write angle 2 is equal to angle 6, is it right? What is the condition for this one? Because if you check this one, it is a parallel. These two lines are parallel, so 2 and 6 are alternate interior angles only. So I can write here alternate interior angles. Already we know that 1 and 2 are equal, right? So what we can write here, angle 5 is equal to angle 6 using 3, right? Angle 1 equal to 5, opposite angles of a parallelogram. 2 equal to 6, alternate interior angles. Already we know that angle 1 and 2 are equal, that means 5 and 6 are also equal, proved 2. Okay, so first part and the second part we have done. Now the third part we have to prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. We have to join the diagonals now. So construction we required here, join AC and BD, right? Because we have to prove that the final result is diagonal AC equal to diagonal BD. So we have to take the proof for this fourth part, that is sorry, not fourth part, third part. Proof in triangle ABC. So AC should be one on the side. So I can write ACB and triangle BDA. What are the equal sides? We should write ACB. If you take this, BC is marked here and it is equal to here. AD is coming in BDA also. So I'll write here BC equal to AD given. Okay. Next, ABC is the triangle. So angle 3 and angle 4 are equal. We have proved that is angle B will come. What is the name of the triangle? ACB. B is the complete angle is coming. Angle B is equal to angle A, proved in 1. Okay, so just check once again. ACB, we have used the first side, then this angle we have used, now it is coming as AB. So AB equal to AB, common only. Let us check that one in the triangle BDA. BDA, the first side is AD we have taken, the angle is angle 4 we have taken, that is angle A. Then AB we have taken, it is a common, that is also coming in the second triangle, right? Now triangle ACB is congruent to, see that one, triangle ACB is congruent to, criteria is what? First side, second side, the included angle. So SA is criteria only possible. Now what is the order? For B it is A only, so the last letter is A. So for A it is B, so BDA. So triangle ACB is congruent to triangle BDA by SAS, proved 3. Right? Now what is the result of this one? AC equal to BD, CPCT, proved 4. So this proof little bit different from the proof till we have proved 11 up to 11 questions. So what was the proof here means, I'll explain once again. It was given that ABCD is a trapezium and this opposite side is parallel, non-parallel sides are equal. So we have constructed CE parallel to DA. So we got a parallelogram. Which is that parallelogram? AECD is a parallelogram. That is the first step. If AECD is a parallelogram, then what you can say about the opposite side? AD and CE are equal, and also AD equal to BC. That means BC and CE are equal. If BC and CE are equal, it is in which triangle? BCE. So angle 1 equal to angle 2, the angle opposite to equal sides. If angle 1 equal to angle 2, that property we have to use here. Now what is the first step we have to prove? Angle A and B are equal, that means 3 and 4 are equal we have to prove. So we are using first criteria is angle 1 plus 4 equal to 180 degree, as a co-interior angles are supplementary. 2 plus 3 equal to 180 degree, linear pair. By using this we can equate, because both are equal to the same, angle 1 plus 4 equal to angle 2 plus 3. The 1 and 2 I can cancel. Why I can cancel angle 1 and 2? Angle 1 and 2 are equal, so we are cancelling equal angles, or we are cancelling on both the sides. So the remaining is angle 4 equal to angle 3. That means angle A equal to angle B, proved the first part. For proving the second part, that means 5 and 6 to be equal, we are using the first angle 1 and 5 opposite angles of the parallelogram, and 2 and 6 alternate interior angles of the parallelogram. So by using this I cannot equate it suddenly. Why? Which property I should use? Because in equation 3 itself we have proved that angle 1 and 2 are equal. So that is why I can write that angle 5 equal to 6. Therefore angle, this implies angle D equal to angle C, proved 2. For proving the third part, we have to join the diagonals AC and BD. So construction, again we have to write a construction, join AC and BD. In that two triangles, what we can take? BC equal to AD, the first equal side. Angle B is equal to angle A, proved in 1. That means one angle we got. One more side means we can take as a common, AB equal to AB, common side. So if you check this one, see ABC is the triangle, the first equal side, the second equal side as a common we have taken. So this angle is included we have taken. You can cross check with the BDA also. BDA, the first side equal side is AD, the second side is AB, the included angle is angle 4, that means angle A. So we got SAS criteria. Triangle ACB is congruent to triangle BDA. Once we prove the congruency, as usual we can write the CPCT, that means AC equal to BD. So we proved 3 and 4 respectively. Okay, so with this today's class I am winding up, and moreover we have completed exercise 8.1. See that each one of the proof is different from each other. So practice more. Don't think that, don't take this chapter is lightly. It is very important chapter also. No deletion for this academic year from this chapter. So any questions they can ask from this chapter. So practice more. With this today's class I am winding up. Thank you.